If you are on this channel, you are probably already an entrepreneur yourself and homeschooling your kids, or thinking about it and getting ready to do it yourself. One thing that I want to share with you is some tips and pointers on how to raise entrepreneurs, because certainly we were not taught how to be an entrepreneur ourselves, right? To be an entrepreneur, it takes a different skill set and mindset. So I'm going to share with you 3 things that I think are really important that we can teach our kids to help those young kids become entrepreneurs one day. First and foremost, I would say routine and independence. Give them the independence to create and design their own routine, but show them the importance of having that routine every single day, right? Number 2, teach them to be okay with failure. Like, you're gonna mess up. If you're a business owner, you've not been successful the whole time, right? You've had ups, you've had downs, you've done well, you've done poorly. It's part of the game. It's okay to mess up. You are not a failure if you fail, right? And number 3, constant growth and learning. We don't just go K through 12, we're done, right? It's a forever process. We always are learning, changing, growing, becoming a better version of ourselves every single day so that we can run a successful business. And so there you have it. All right, guys, thanks for watching. If you need anything, have any comments, please put it below, and we'll see you next week. Bye.